everyone, in this video I will share how to always make the perfect mashed potatoes. Fluffy, airy and creamy. I'm using yellow potatoes, but gold and russet are also a great choice. Starting by peeling the potatoes and washing them with cold water, and then just chopping them into smaller pieces, that way they can cook evenly. Giving them a final rinse with cold water just to remove any excess starch. And then placing them on the stove covered with cold water. And now is the time to add some salt. Turn the stove on high until it gets to rapid boil and then lower it to medium. Cook it about 20 minutes or until a knife can pierce through them. Drain the water and afterwards you can return them to the stove just to get any extra moisture out of them. And to get my desired creaminess, I'm using melted unsalted butter and half. I'm mashing them with just a traditional masher. I found out that it gives me the best result. It is a little tedious process, and if you have to make a big batch, it's gonna hurt your arm, but it gives the best texture. At this point, you can add extra salt if you need it. Slowly start adding the melted butter until you reach your desired creaminess. I'm using about a tablespoon and a half of butter, and then keep adding and mashing, adding the creamer, mashing. That is actually the trick to fluffy and airy mashed potatoes. And I like finishing mine off with a fork just to give them a little bit of extra whipped texture. And to serve them, just transfer them in a different bowl or plate of your choice. Drizzle a little bit of melted butter and add some fresh parsley or dill. And there you have it, your perfect mashed potatoes each and every time. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!